Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about simplifying polynomial expressions. Consider the example 3x square minus 5x cube minus x times 2x square plus 4x inside the parenthesis. So to solve that, let us first rewrite this part which is inside the parenthesis. For that, I am rewriting 3x square minus 5x cube. Now let us solve this first. For that, what we should do, you can see here minus x and inside the parenthesis 2x square plus 4x. For that, we have to apply the distributive property of multiplication. So what you should do is, you have to put minus x times this x inside the parenthesis times the first term, that is 2x square. Then put this plus, again you put this x inside the parenthesis times the second term 4x. So what I am doing is, I am keeping the minus as such outside the parenthesis and bringing this x inside the parenthesis, then multiplying it with the first term. Then put this addition sign. Then again bring this x inside the parenthesis times the second term. Now let us simplify this. 3x square minus 5x cube minus x times 2x square. That is going to be 2x cube. X square times x. X means x to the power 1. So it will be x square times x to the power 1, which will be equal to x cube, plus this variable 4 and this constant 4 and this x times x, that is going to be x square. Close the parenthesis. So this will be equal to 3x square minus 5x cube. Again you have to bring this minus inside now. So minus 2x cube and then minus times positive, which will be equal to negative 4x cube, x square, the second term. Now let us combine the like terms. You can see the highest power of x is cube. So let us first rewrite that, which are all having the x cube minus 5x cube and minus 2x cube. So let me rewrite that, minus 5x cube minus 2x cube. Now again next smallest power is x square. So plus this 3x square minus 4x square. So minus 5x cube minus 2x cube, minus 5 minus 2, that is going to be equal to minus 7. Then simply put this x cube, plus 3 minus 4, that is going to be equal to minus 1. Then simply put this x square. So minus 7x cube minus x square is the solution. Consider the example a square minus 2a plus 5a cube plus 1 minus 10a. In this case, let us combine the like terms. You can see the variable with the highest power is a cube. So always when you are rewriting it, write the numbers and the variables having the highest power first. So here the a cube is the variable with the highest power. So I am writing 5a cube at the beginning. Now we don't have any other a cube. So the next highest power is a square. So I am writing that plus a square. You don't have any other a squares. The next power is a. So I am writing this minus 2a. Then we have one more a minus 10a. We don't have any other a's. The next one is the constant plus 1. So you have to rewrite it according to the powers. Now let us again rewrite it as 5a cube plus a square. You can see here we have minus 2a minus 10a. So minus 2 minus 10, that is equal to minus 12. Then simply put the variable a plus 1. So this is the simplified form of this polynomial expression. Consider the example 17 minus 3s square plus 2s square minus 5s cube plus 5. As I told you, first you have to look for the variables that is having the highest power. Here we can see minus 5s cube is having the highest power. So while rewriting, I am writing minus 5s cube at the beginning. Now next we have s square that is having the highest power after s cube. So I am writing that minus 3s square plus 2s square. Now let us check if we have any number with a variable s. We don't have any s. So let us now write for the constants. Look for the constants. We have 17 plus 5. So now minus 5s cube minus 3 plus 2, that is going to be equal to minus 1. So I am putting minus, then simply put the variable s square plus 22. So this is the solution. Consider the example 17p plus 8p cube minus 4 minus 5 times p cube minus 2. Let us rewrite this. So here you can see minus 5 times p cube minus 2 is inside the parenthesis. First let us solve that first. So I am rewriting this as 17p plus 8p cube minus 4. So to solve this, first keep the sign outside the parenthesis and bring the number or variable that is near the sign inside the parenthesis. So in this case, bring 5 inside the parenthesis, 5 times the first term. Now put the symbol that is minus. Now multiply this 5 with the second term. So 5 times 2. So again rewrite it as 17p plus 8p cube minus 4 minus, now what is 5 times p cube? That is going to be 5p cube minus 5 times 2, that is going to be equal to 10. Again rewrite it as 17p plus 8p cube minus 4. Now bring the negative symbol inside the parenthesis, minus 5p cube minus times minus. So when one symbol sign is outside the parenthesis and one is inside the parenthesis, this means minus times minus, which is positive. Positive, then put this number 10. Now let us see the variable having the highest power. Here p cube is the variable having the highest power. So bring that first. So 8p cube minus 5p cube. Now let us check if we have a p square. No. Next is p. So we have a 17p here. 17p. Then constants minus 4 plus 10. So you can rewrite this as 8 minus 5. That's going to be equal to 3p cube plus 17p, because we don't have any other p. So simply write that, plus 17p minus 4 plus 10, that's going to be equal to positive 6. So 3p cube plus 17p plus 6 is the solution. Consider the example 3 times 7r to the power 10 minus 4r to the power 9 minus 5r to the power 10. So here the starting itself we have 3 outside. So let us multiply this 3 with each of the terms inside the parenthesis, which means first I will be multiplying 3 times 7r to the power 10. Then put this symbol minus, then 3 times the second term, 3 times 4r to the power 9. Again put this negative sign, then 3 multiplied with the third term, 3 times 5r to the power 10. So what is 3 times 7? That's going to be 21 r to the power 10 minus 3 times 4, it's 12 r to the power 9 minus 3 times 5, that is 15 r to the power 10. Now rearrange this in such a way that the variable having the highest power is coming first. So here 21 r to the power 10 minus 15 r to the power 10. After that r to the power 10, the next power is r to the power 9. So minus 12 r to the power 9. We don't have any other numbers or constants after that. We have to subtract. So 21 minus 15, that's going to be 6 r to the power 10 minus 12 r to the power 9. This is the solution. Consider the example 5m to the power 5 minus 7m to the power 3 plus 3m square plus 5m to the power 5. So in this case, let us first rewrite it in such a way that the variable having the highest power is coming first. So I am writing 5m to the power 5, which is having the highest power. Highest power means what? M to the power 5. The exponent is the highest. That is m to the power 5 is the highest. Now next is plus m to the power 5. One more 5m to the power 5 is there. So I am rewriting that. Now next, after m to the power 5, we have to check we have any other m to the power 4. We don't have any m to the power 4. Next, we have to check m to the power 3. We have 1 m to the power 3 minus 7 m to the power 3. We don't have any other m to the power 3. Next is m to the power 2 plus 3 m to the power 2. We don't have any other variables or constants. So let us solve this. 5 plus 5, which is 10 m to the power 5 minus 7 m to the power 3 plus 3 m to the power 2 is the solution for this polynomial expression. Consider the example minus 5 times b to the power 6 plus 10 plus 8 times 10 plus b to the power 6. So in this case, first just keep the negative sign here. Let it be there. Start the parenthesis. Now multiply the first term with this number 5. So 5 times b to the power 6. Then put this addition sign. Now multiply 5 with the second term. 5 times 10. So that step is over. Plus, I am simply putting this addition sign. For the next, multiply 8 with the first term. 8 times 10. Put this addition sign. Then multiply 8 with the second term. 8 times b to the power 6. Now let us solve this. 5 minus 5b to the power 6 plus 5 times 10, it's going to be 50. Again plus this addition sign. 8 times 10 is going to be 80 plus 8b to the power 6. Now let us bring this negative sign inside. What will happen? Negative times 5. So it is going to be negative 5b to the power 6 negative times positive, which is negative. When we have a negative sign outside, one positive sign inside the parenthesis, the meaning of this is going to be negative times positive. So that is going to be equal to negative. That is why I am simply putting this negative here. Negative 50. Here you can see we have positive sign. So positive 80. Then positive times positive. It's going to be positive. Positive 8b to the power 6. Now let us combine the like terms. I check for the variable having the highest power. So minus 5b to the power 6 plus 8b to the power 6 minus 50 plus 80. That is going to be plus 30. Minus 5 plus 8. That is going to be 3b to the power 6 plus 30. So that is going to be the simplified form of this polynomial expression. Hope you have understood about simplifying polynomial expression in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.